Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Jordan. This is the first time in a long time that I've done an actual makeup tutorial. With Valentine's Day coming up, I just thought let's do some fun looks for the season. I figured it'd be nice and beneficial for somebody who is going on a date night, Valentine's Day, you name it, would kind of need some inspo or something fun to have when it comes to doing a makeup look. So I just thought, okay, let's do one together with the girls. I'm thinking of doing another one, by the way, but I just really wanted to have something for the season because I just figured this is the best time to get back into the swing of things when it comes to makeup tutorials. So I'm really excited. If you like this look and you want to learn how to do it, want to know what products I'm using, just continue watching. I will link all of the products down below. I think this is better. You guys can see me, right? I'm going to be using this Dior palette. This is the Backstage Smoky Essentials palette, and I'm going to be mixing it with this Jaclyn Hill palette, the Volume 2, as she's launched a long time ago, but the pink down there is calling my name for this look. You can see too, I already have my makeup on, being my foundation, brows, you name it. We're just going to focus mainly on the eyes, the lips, and then some of the cheeks. I'm going to use this pretty dusty mauve shade. I think that'll be a nice transition shade before I go in with the more lighter pink tones. I'll be using this MAC, I don't even know what the numbers are on here anymore. They're faded, so I'm sorry. It's a MAC brush. We're just going to blend it out. So excited. Do you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day? We'll be working, and then I'm going to my hometown because my nephew is turning 1. I'm so excited and love him so much. So my nephew is the first grandbaby in my family. It's just my brother and I on my mom's side. So my brother had my little nephew Cruz. Super excited. I cannot wait to see them again. Okay, that dusty mauve shade is actually really pretty to wear by itself. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Positivity all over the lid, just so I can have that pink shade before I go heavier in my eyes with the darker pinks. So beautiful. And I am just using the exact same brush that I did with the first shade. Beautiful, just doing windshield wiper motions. It's the easiest way to get the color all over the lid without that harsh separation. Just kind of blend it out as much as possible. I'm gonna use this Dior brush number 21 to apply it. This is gonna be so pretty all over. And I'm just doing half of my lid. I'm not doing the full lid. Just half to the end of my eyelid. It's such a pretty shade too because I think it ties in perfectly for Valentine's Day. It's a really nice topper, or you can use it to enhance any other eyeshadows, which is so fun. Just add it a little bit. Perfect. So cute. If you know me, you know I love a little razzle dazzle. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the shade Tipsy Girl and Dance Party here. It's kind of like a darker fuchsia. I'm gonna create some form of a wing, so just trust the process. Just blended them together. Look at how beautiful that color is. Wow. The brush that I'm also using is this Moda Pro in the shade, or it's their smudger brush 402. Just gonna go ahead and create some form of a wing. So I just kind of lightly tap the area where I normally would apply my eyeliner. And not everybody has a steady hand, so I would highly recommend using some tape. I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing. This is gorgeous. I love this look because it's so fun and playful. And with those same two colors, I'm going to apply it underneath my lash line as well. So just tapping it, so pretty. And you're almost connecting them together from top to bottom. Just dusting whatever remnants there are just to create that clean, fine line. Anytime I do a look that's this dramatic, I need to have a liquid liner. Completely optional, but this is what I find is best for me because it allows my eyelashes to stick and stay on my eyelids all day long. So I'm just going to be using the MAC Brush Black eyeliner. I love this one so much just because it's nice, simple, natural finish. It's not satin or matte, it's just more so a natural. What I'm not doing this time is I'm not going to create a wing with my black liquid liner, only because I really want to enhance that pink liner that I just created. Okay, so cute. I cannot wait to apply these lashes. I'm actually going to be going in again with the Positivity, but in my inner corner, just to bring in that pop of pink again. This is going to be so fun. I love that. I am obsessed. I'm so glad to get back into the beauty side of things. I am excited and cannot wait to see the full look. I'm loving the way it's turning out so far, and I'm obsessed. The lashes that I'm going to be using are the Lily lashes on 34th Street. These were actually my wedding lashes, so I definitely need to get some more because it's been over 30 days, but don't tell anybody, please. I actually have not used this bronzer in God knows when, but I'm going to be using Refined Golden by MAC. So funny that I'm just now using these again, but it'll at least remind me of how good they were. It's the only thing that I can reach right now. I just didn't want to get up. Refined Golden. It's actually really pretty. A little bit of sculpting. Make sure my forehead doesn't look super light. I'm watching Love Island right now, and it is actually the craziest thing I've ever seen. The Love Island All-Stars. I'm on episode 17. No, I think I'm on episode 18, and I don't know if you guys are caught up, but I'm just kind of annoyed with a certain someone who's going back to their old ways, and it is so frustrating. I won't say anything else, but if you know, you know. Okay, wait, but this bronzer really brought life back into my skin. Hold the phone. Okay. I love it. I love that for me. So cute. I love that. Okay, I forgot how good you were. She's going back into the makeup bag. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with some blush. I'm going to be using the Dior Rosy Glow blush in the shade Pink. My absolute favorite, and it also fits the vibe for this season. I mean, Valentine's Day, why not? What I love about this blush is that it goes in with the pH balance of your skin, so it is unique to everyone who puts it on. And it does look very intimidating whenever you first open it. Also, please do not mind this. I did not treat her as well as I should have. However, look at how beautiful it is. It does not look how it does in the packaging. It's very intimidating when you first open it, but look at this. Beautiful. I love this. This is so cute and girly. Okay, I think I'm gonna pop on some highlighter. I'm gonna be using this Valentino Eye to Cheek Star Studs Edition in the shade 111. It's really pretty. I actually used to wear this all the time. Oh, wow. Look at that. Just add some on the bridge of the nose. It definitely gives a pink hue. I just saw a really steamy episode just now, and oh my god, it's like making my armpits burn. That was actually the craziest thing. Anyways, back to my makeup. For lips, I'm going to be using the Dior lip liner in the shade Revy. It is 665. I don't think they carry this shade any longer, but it's so beautiful. If you can get your hands on it, definitely do. It's the perfect shade for Valentine's Day. Ooh, look at that. It's giving Valentine's Day. Okay, so next the lip that I'm gonna go in with is the Rouge Dior lipstick in the shade 100, which is the nude look. It's a very beautiful neutral color. It adds some more dimension, especially if you're going to use a dark lip liner, whether that is browns or pinks. This is the perfect neutral for all skin types. Should I put a gloss on top or should I leave it like this? I'm just gonna reline this. I don't think I'm gonna go in with a gloss. Give myself an ombre lip. Wow, look at the contrast with this lip. Oh my goodness.